Good day everyone! I-present ko po sa inyo ang J Tower Residences developed by GPROP Development Corporation, owned by Mr. Justin Uy, owner and developer of J Center Mall, Sky Water Park, and J Park Island Resort. Project summary: 40 stories, 5,672 square meter lot, 1,274 total units, and 544 parking units. The building features 8 high-speed elevator, 1 service elevator, 100% backup power, automatic transfer systems, 24-hour security service. Amenities: infinity pool, Zen garden, jogging path, open clubhouse, retail podium, and rooftop gym. So, paano nga ba kumikita sa ganitong negosyo? Ang location ay malapit sa lahat. Right beside SM City J Mall, malapit din sa mga schools, park, airport at hospitals. Nasa prime location kaya madaling parentahan. 2,200 po per day ang rent sa unit. Kaya sa 24 days po ay 52,800 po ang pwedeng kitain ng unit nyo. In short po, unit nyo na ang magbabayad ng backlog nyo. Possible pa po na tumaas ang per day rent and tumaas ang occupancy since katabing-katabi po siya ng SM. Profit sharing pa po siya kaya kahit walang kita yung sarili nyong unit, may income pa rin po kayo sa kikitain ng buong hotel. 80% sa owner and 20% sa property management. Here's the sample computation. Reservation is 30,000. Then, ang floor area is 22.75 square meter. Total contract price po is 3.8 million. Sa bank loan nyo po, makukuha nyo na ang pambayad sa kikitain ng unit nyo through rentals na si J Tower na ang bahalang mag-manage ng lahat. Dress up unit naman po is para sa Airbnb is 400,000, complete interior design and appliances. Start investing now and earn from your own condo unit.